Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Well, I enjoyed it that much last time and I hope you did too. We're going to visit the quarry. To be quite honest, when we get the views, they're my best days out for me. I really enjoy it. Absolutely fantastic, them views. Look at that, eh? So we're back in the playground. Ooh, rocky. Except that machinery's been over all this. Let's go. Well, it's changed a bit since last time. Or has it? And bunnies.
What are they?
Little bunnies. Yeah. See if we get wildlife, boys. Go on, lad. Go on. That's what a 72 volt does. Nice. Makes sense. I think we've got to try and get up that hill and I've got no chance, mate. I have got no chance. Oh, he's up.
Where now we have to go?
See how they get up on their standards. Here we go. This is where the pain starts. Tell already I can't get up that. Oh, you got now down getting up there. Hey, Seuss, see that off the ramp there, just up that bit? I'm going to try and cheat.
Right, you get a tow rope out, drag us from here.
That's a daft hill, that. It's because it's loose, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not even steep though when you look at it from here.
I'm not getting up that, mate, tell you now.
If you stick to the rut, trust me, you'll get up. You was here, weren't you, B? That was crazy, that.
Too hard, isn't it? Not getting up there, me. Not a chance. That's the only way up, I'm heading back.
What?
I said if that's the only way up, I'm heading back. I'm not getting up that.
I did it. They're flying again. No, I did it. Did it? Yeah. What else, man? Tired. We're up, Penny, we're up.
Everyone knows.
Yeah.
John's idea.
Bob said let's go the other way around. He heard him, you went, no.
I didn't.
Oh my god.
She's 20 times better than comfortable.
That took the wind out of me.
Getting up there.
That's why you need a 72 volt. Up that one, yeah.
Yeah, straight up there. Sorted.
This way now, Dad.
Nice one, mate. Oh shit. Looks like we've got good mates here. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk. Oh.
It's a bit windy. But good. And when you take off, it's a bit windy. Watch this bit. That way, straight across. You can't see it. Bloody nuts are into it.
Born to ride, that's what they say. Might not be any good at it. Definitely born to ride. You remember this spot, guys? Oh, there's no water in it now. Oh, that's easy with no water in, isn't it? A bit less daunting.
I thought it was good. Like the water's normally a lot higher, so it doesn't scare you, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Wow, that's good. Well, shallow that, I'm in now. Shallow that now. It'll be rain.
There you go, guys. Hopefully the wind's not overpowering. How's that for a view? Look at that. And there's maybe a little better overview of Manchester City. Just over there. Isaac then giggling, he's just photobombed it. I don't know. Well, yeah, what have you guys? The belting. to a place, well, a reservoir, a lovely little area called Dovestones. Oh my days, I don't know what I'm doing to myself. Yeah. Because I'm addicted to it. Way up. Oh, God, I wish I had a 72 volt. Oh God, I wish I had one. Just be nice to have that extra bit of torque. Oh. Power out of them ruts. Yeah. That rut got me. That rut.
Alright,
I think so, mate.
okay, yeah?
Yeah, it's a bit of ankle damage. Oh dear. Yep. These ruts are really bad. Camera's probably not picking them up, but I can tell I've done my leg in a little bit as well. I'll have a look when we stop. You deal with the rocks. Them bloody ruts, once they get you and you wait, takes you off balance and then you're gone. You're just washing out. Yeah. Just a rut fucking had me, didn't it? They're all happy and pleased anyway. As you can see, guys, I'm probably one of the less skilled at the group. Oh, that's a bit of a jump, I didn't see that come. And yeah, I do struggle on these trails sometimes, but I do try my best. Try not to spoil it for the rest of them, because I know it slows them down. And I really enjoy it, you know. Puts me to my limit anyway. Woohoo! Well, remember last time I was here, I was complaining about my shockers being totally knackered. Well, it's not the case this time, after I've rebuilt them. They feel bloody lovely. Can't keep up with them. Oh, they're gone. Get a few jolts in my back. My back's giving me a bit of shit. See if I can get up here. I suffer with a really bad back. It's giving me some jip. I think I jolted it when I come off before. I'll be alright. Look at this here, hey? Yes. Always something new to show you here at SurRon Off-Road. Look at this. Oh! It's about to go off there! Look at that, eh? Now that's a view, guys. Straight over. We're off again, guys. Usual crack, want a drink, something to eat. Oh, these tracks are bad. We're managing. Look at him on that. It's an absolute beast. I'll see if he'll let us have a go at that in a bit. Oh God, what am I doing? Always taking the wrong bloody track. Oh. Come on, girl, you can do it. He's already up there. Oh, it's amazing. I know the bike doesn't like it, but I love it. I need some proper good shocks, is what I need. Proper good ones. They're just too much bloody money, aren't they? Yeah, I followed you. You had the right track, you. That bike is amazing. It really is. No, not at all. Bloody hell. I believe my shocks took that. Are they all stuck?
I don't know. I was wondering that.
I don't like the look of it down there. I'm glad I followed this guy. Oh. Do you know where they're off to?
I can't even hear him. I know which way it is, but if it's stuck down there, I don't know.
So we've got split up, we've lost them, they took another route. I don't see them anywhere down there. Hey? Yeah, they must be.
They're not here.
They're not waiting for us, are they? They're here, Gaz! Oh, he's such a good rider compared to me. Holy shizzle. Holy shizzle. I was in sport, I was in eco. Oh fucking hell, man, I could have had that, couldn't I, Gaz?
It's a lot easier down.
Yeah.
There's an old lace in there now.
Come on, lad.
Bit rough, yeah, on it, Con?
Alright.
Need some wheel bearings. Oh! Yo! What's that about? Go on, I know I'm slowing you up. They don't like it. They like to have a bit of competition. I'll let them crack on. Oh, fucking hell. Oh! A bit shitey. Well, I'm at down at the back today. I just can't keep up. Just can't keep up. Hey, whoa. Buckaroo. nothing we can't handle. I knew what you was waiting for. I know what you're waiting for. Alright there, lad. It'd be nice to have an headphone, bit of music going. Really test my skills, this does. This is a trail. This is a trail. I'm not as quick as the others, but I can guarantee I'm enjoying it just as much. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Pegs are getting it today. Ooh, thanks for waiting. Absolutely wrist pumped to death. Ooh!
Sure you're alright?
Ooh! Well, that way.
Oh, go the handlebars. Boy, he was a pro, lad. He let you down.
That was bad, that.
Oh, he's a pro. Oh, and that bit there, see it?
I'm a pro, see.
Was that alright that way? I don't know if I caught that. I'm gonna have to get off. I'm not that good. They didn't see me do it. Ooh, got away with that. Well, that was easy. Didn't even have to get off a bike.
I didn't even see it. Oh, it's only got...
Some proper enduro today. Ooh. You alright there, pal? Whoa, 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 whoa. God, that was good reaction of letting go of that. Most people wouldn't have done that.
Something's bent here.
I can't see where they've gone. I've lost them totally. Better. I'll follow you, dude. I don't know where I'm going.
I hit the fucking ground.
I missed it. These are the bits I love. Oh, get out. Bit of regen. So here we go, guys. One of the reservoirs up at Dovestone. Beautiful place. I think it's a really nice time to come here when the sun sets. It's proper setting, isn't it?